Happy Tuesday, everybody. Hey, I'm sorry I can't be in here today. Sitting at home last night, hanging out with the family, had dinner, fed Zadie, took her upstairs for a little nap, and then heard she was a little bit fussy, so I went up to check on her, and we had a nice big pile of puke. So I hope you get a good visual on that one. All over her bed, all over her, kind of spewed all the way down onto the floor. I'm gonna play a video right here for you to listen to. Listen to Brinley's play-by-play of this. Here you go.
That there's blueberries, because she threw up blueberries.
Oh, see, that's good stuff. That's stuff you have to look forward to in your near future here. Hopefully in about 10, 15 years. So she puked up some nice looking dinner for us. All right. So I hope that gets you off to a good start. All right. So here's the rest of your day. What you have to start with, if you would like to watch your class's YouTube video or even the other classes, you can go ahead and click on that link on Schoology just so you can see the two videos real quick. Two similar things, but I think you'll see that they ended up fairly different, kind of in the way they played out. So check them both out if you like to. Your jobs for the day then, the next thing you have to do, you have to complete the 12 quadratic equations problems on the back of your homework sheet. That's the riddle that says what happened when the ghost appeared in a fog. 12 problems you have to go through. I want you to show your work and actually get the answer to that riddle. So don't just plug stuff in your calculator. Show your steps, write down your A, B, and C. Actually go through and do some of the work on these things. When you get done with those 12, and that'll be checked tomorrow, when you get done with those 12, I want you to go up to the round table up front and grab the riddle that says, what is one problem that rocket scientist Dr. Awkward never has? This is going back and doing a little bit of graphing. Okay, so we're into the quadratic formula stuff, but we have to make sure we remember how to graph. We promised today would be a work day, so I want to make sure you have a chance to do this. This one should be a little bit easier. You're going to go through, find your axis of symmetry, find the vertex points, a few story problems that ask you about maximum height. And you know that anytime you talk about maximum height, you're talking about finding that vertex. So again, x equals negative b. You find that x value, and then you plug it in to find the y. So those two things have to be done and turned in for tomorrow. Down at the bottom, I put, if you would like to try and get ahead and you want to see kind of what we're doing for tomorrow, we're getting into solving quadratic equations by finding square roots. So we're doing this thing right here. So if you'd like to get some practice, you can grab one of the algebra books off the side bookshelves over here, or you can just search on the internet. You can search for solving quadratics by finding square roots worksheets. Shocker. Okay, so if you want to test them out, feel free to. I don't want you guys sitting here playing on your phones and doing that stuff. So if you get done with the two worksheets, please do either hop in a book or search online to try and find some practice where you can actually see what we're doing tomorrow. Okay. So with that, have yourselves a good rest of the day. Grab a calculator, get your pencil working, and go solve some quadratics. See you tomorrow, guys.